The FR-F800 inverter by Mitsubishi Electric has a lot of features. One of them is energy saving. The consumed power of a variable torque load, such as fans, pumps, and blowers, is proportional to the cube of its rotation speed. Adjusting the air volume by the inverter rotation speed control can lead to significant reduction of power consumption. Saving energy is not only about creating a better, sustainable world, it can also save a lot of money for the company. Advanced optimum excitation control provides a large starting torque while maintaining the motor efficiency under the conventional optimum excitation control. Without the need of troublesome adjustment parameters, acceleration is done in a short time. Also, energy-saving operation with the utmost improved motor efficiency is performed during constant speed operation. The offline auto-tuning function to measure circuit constraints of the motor enables optimal operation of motors even when motor constants vary, when a non-Mitsubishi Electric motor is used, or when the wiring distance is long. In the international context of global warming prevention, many countries in the world have started to introduce laws and regulations to mandate manufacturing and sales of high-efficiency motors. It leads to even bigger profits for everyone. Great energy savings can be achieved also thanks to the use of premium high-efficiency IPM motors. Their permanent magnets embedded in the rotor achieve even higher efficiency as compared to the general-purpose motors. Apart from that, IM driving setting can be switched to IPM driving setting by only one setting. Multiple inverters can be connected to the Power Regeneration Common Converter, FRCV, or the High Power Factor Converter, FRHC2, through a common PN bus. The regenerated energy is used by another inverter, and if there still is an excess, it is returned to the power supply, saving on the energy consumption. The FR-F800 inverter comes with an energy-saving monitor. The energy-saving effect can be checked using an operation panel, output terminal, or network. The output power amount measured by the inverter can be output in pulses. The cumulative power amount can be easily checked. The FR-F800 inverter utilizes motor capability to the full, improves starting torque, and saves energy at the same time, supports operations of various motors, generates great savings when paired with premium high-efficiency IPM motors,